Another day and another lawsuit for the Duke of Litigations, whose main job now is being perpetually offended and suing everyone left, right and centre, except Tom Bower and Valentine Lowe. A group of people including Prince Harry, singer Elton John and his partner have launched legal action against Associated Newspapers and the publisher of the Daily Mail. A statement from law firm Hamlins, which is representing Prince Harry, stated that the group have been the victims of abhorrent criminal activity and gross breaches of privacy by Associated Newspapers. The allegations include Associated Newspapers employing private investigators to place listening devices in their homes and vehicles, pointing people to eavesdrop on their telephone calls, compensating police officials for sensitive information, impersonating hospital staff to acquire medical information, and gaining access to bank accounts and financial transactions through illicit means and manipulation. In response, a representative of Associated Newspapers said, "We utterly and unambiguously refute these preposterous smears which appear to be nothing more than a pre-planned and orchestrated attempt to drag the Mail titles into the phone hacking scandal concerning articles up to 30 years old." As Associated Newspapers vehemently denies these alarming allegations, Harry's legal fight continues to unfold. Harry has sued twice previously for libel and slander. Meghan Markle, true to her Suits character, also sued the publisher for copyright infringement and breach of privacy. The ironic thing here is the fact that these two have caused breaches of privacy against their own families. Royal fans immediately weigh in on Harry's new lawsuit, with one saying, "I think this is the only event anyone invited them to join, and since the other folks are mostly A-listers, old Harry jumped in on it. Wonder how he and the little woman would feel if the royal family sued them for wearing recording devices or leaking to the press." Meanwhile, Meghan Markle takes legal steps to stop her husband from being deposed in a civil case centred on Meghan and her half-sister Samantha. Samantha Markle is suing Meghan over her interview with US television host Oprah Winfrey. It's understood that Samantha is also suing Meghan over material published in the Finding Freedom biography. It's reported that her lawyers are looking to depose Meghan's father Thomas between October the 5th and the 21st. They're also reported to be seeking testimony from Prince Harry and Oprah. The Duchess's legal team has hit back, arguing that she didn't make the statements in the biography, which was written by Omid Scobie and Carolyn Durand. They added that Meghan's comments regarding a relationship with Samantha in the new famous Oprah interview were non-actionable opinion that are also substantially true. Her lawyers submitted a filing which read, "A deposition of Mr. Markle at this juncture, along with other discovery, would be an unnecessary spectacle and waste of the parties' time, money and resources." Samantha Markle should not be permitted to force Meghan and potentially numerous non-parties to devote substantial resources to extraneous discovery while a meritorious motion that could dispose of the entire case is pending. Meghan's lawyers added that Markle was simply exercising fundamental First Amendment rights to free speech. It's unclear whether Samantha will succeed in all her requests for depositions. It added that the list of potential witnesses is substantially longer than in Prince Andrew's sexual abuse lawsuit brought by Virginia Giuffre. The paper quoted further filing by Meghan's legal team about the long list of those Samantha's legal team is said to be intent on deposing. This read, "In addition to the parties, she, Samantha, identified a whopping 19 non-party witnesses, including Prince Harry, Meghan's mother, Oprah Winfrey, and several journalists and media personalities who reside in the United Kingdom, including Scobie and Durand, the authors of Finding Freedom.